Hello, welcome to freeexcellearn.com. Today I will show the if function example. On my last video I showed two examples of if function, and both of the example was very easy. Now I am going to show an if condition example, and it is few complex. Like you want to write here 10. If you write here 10, the result will show you this is 10. If you write here 11, the result will show you this is over 10. And on the same way, if you write down here 9, that is below 10, then it will show you this is under 10. Okay. So I just declared this thing, and you see that as this is as this is B9 cell, you see that this is B9 cell. So I check that if this value is greater than 10, it will see or show over 10. If this B9 value equal to 10, then it will give me the result yes 10. If the result is under 10, then it will show under 10. So how it will work? If I write down here 9, then it will come to here. First check this condition. Is it okay? You see that this is 9, B9 equal to 9, and there is 10. So this condition is not true. So it will not show. And then it will come the next condition. Next condition, it will input here B9, replace 9, and 9 equal to 10. This is also not true. So this result will also not show. And after that, at last, it will come here. It will replace 9 on behalf B9, and then check with 10, that is lower than 10. So this is true result, and this result will be shown. Okay. So I am now going to write the if function syntax, and as you see that it will checking by a loop. So we will use if function on nested way. Just see it. If this value greater than 10, just same, then the result will be over 10. But if the value is not over 10, then there is two conditions. It may be 10 or below 10. Then we go for this condition. So I input here another if. If this is not true, then this will come to here, and I also allocate the B9 cell and write here equal to 10. Then what will its message? This is 10, and if this is not 10, what will its condition? Then its condition is another if. It will come here and write down here and also allocate B9, then just write down here this and input 10, that means below 10, this section, okay, and the result will be under 10, okay. So I just now give an enter, you see that this is under 10. If you write down here 10, you see that this is 10. If you write down here 11, you see that it is over 10. If you write down here 55, it is also over 10. If you write down here 55, 5, it is over 10. And if you write down here 8, you see that it is under 10. If you write down here 10, you see that this is 10. Okay, this is the formula of this nested loop. So this is not so difficult, it is very easy. Just first check here as it is over 10. If it is not true, then it will come in this section. In this section it will check if this is 10. If this section is not true, then it will finally come here and it will check that if it is under, then it will see it is under. But remarks that if any condition of there is true, then it will count that section. That is, if it is 10, then it is count this section. If I write down here 11, then it write down then it show over 10. Okay, this is the formula of nested loop. I just copy and write down it here for your better view. Okay, I just shared this file and you can download it and also you can see this example. Okay, now I am going to see you another example. I just delete it. I give you it when I shared this file, but for my temporary works I just delete this. I write down here a condition. Suppose you are a teacher and you have so many students, you want to grade on their marks. So suppose your best marks is 10 and it means it is A, and then the lower better is 8, it will count B grade, and then lower better is 5, then it counts C, and at last if it is below 5, then the condition will be fail. Okay, this is as like my previous example. There is no difference it with my previous example. Okay, just see how I write it, this nested if function. Okay, I write down here if, then give here a bracket and then start, allocate my cell, and here my value will be or equal to 10. That means if B9 value equal to 10 or greater than 10, then write down here comma and then input, the result will be A. Okay, and if this condition is not true, then it will go to another if condition. Okay, this is called nested loop. And I also allocate this cell and I write down here greater and equal to 8, then comma, then I will input what is B. And if this condition is not right, then I go another if condition, and this is called nested loop, nested if. Okay, and I also allocate it and write down here greater than and equal to 5, and then the result will be C, and if this is not okay, then the result will be fail. I just define here it fail. Okay, so I think the right of my example is okay, and I just write and I just enter here. As it is fail, there is no value, so I just write it here 5. So value will be, I think, C. Okay, it is working. This show C. And if I write down here 6, it is also C, as it is lower than 8. Okay, if I write down here 7, it will be also C. And but if I write down here 8, it will go to B. If I write down here 9, it will go to B. And if I write down here 10, it will go to A. If I write down here 11, what will be value? It also A. But if I write down here 2, it show me that the result is fail. I just copy this nested if formula and write it down here for your better view or next time. So I found this, it will helpful for you. Thank you.